This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data, make a quick backup, and then select the numeric column you want to clean. Once selected, insert a helper column to the right and enter equals COUNTIF, $1.2, $1,000, A2 in the top cell, then fill down. This formula returns counts, so any result greater than 1 flags a duplicate. You do this because visual inspection misses matches. The helper column gives a reliable, dynamic marker you can filter or sort on immediately. Once the helper column flags duplicate counts, apply an auto filter and set it to show values greater than 1 so you see only the doubles. Next, choose your strategy. If you want one instance kept, sort the sheet so the first occurrence stays in place, then delete other rows. Or use data remove duplicates and select the numeric column to let Excel keep the first instance automatically. Make sure to work on your backup if you need to reverse any deletions. To finish, remove filters and rerun your helper count if confirm every remaining cell shows 1 or 0, and then delete the helper column. This verifies the process worked and prevents accidental loss. If you see unexpected gaps or missing entries, immediately restore the backup and check whether numbers had hidden spaces, different formats, or leading zeros, in which case normalize the data first. As a quick tip, use conditional formatting to highlight duplicates before deleting so you visually confirm matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.